What is going on, everybody? I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today we are starting something pretty awesome. It is the start of the Armytrix Z06 project. Now, if you know anything about exhaust companies, you should have heard the name Armytrix. They make super high quality custom exhausts for supercars, basically. Lamborghinis, Ferrari, the Audi R8, and they're super loud and they're super awesome. They're just so cool. Let's go take a look at it. Here it is. This is just a little bit of it. There's all these other clamps and other things. Basically, this is an Armytrix exhaust for the Z06. It basically has your X pipe here that will connect to your downpipes off the engine. You're going to delete your secondary catalytic converters. Since they're not monitored by the engine, should be no issue there. So you come back to their muffler setup here. Now this is where things get pretty cool. This muffler, by the way, is like half the size of what's on the car. It's insane on how big the stock mufflers are. But this is a Armytrix Valvetronic setup. So the valve is here. I have it all wrapped up until I get it installed, but basically with just a click of a switch, you can go from quiet to super loud, which I like because on the current setup, you have to go into the infotainment and like really just scroll through stuff just to find the exhaust settings. Which can be kind of a pain in the butt if you're going down the road. This, all you have to do is click a button. So here's the box, and here's the remote. And all you have to do is click on for loud, off to turn off the system, or put on auto, and it will go through and turn the valves on and off at certain RPMs. So that is pretty cool. Real simple. This can be attached to your key fob of the car. But that's so much simpler than what's on the car right now, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, oh yeah, I love these. I was able to get black tips, which they actually had to make for me, because they didn't stock them. But these things are so sweet here to get out of the packaging. These things are they're beautiful. I mean, they are so sweet. Here, I'll go show you on the back of the car here. This is a black exhaust tip, and if anybody owns a Z06 or any of the modern Corvettes, you know these tips get like black like crazy anyway, but that is just gonna look so sweet on here. It's so cool. To my knowledge, I do believe this is gonna be the first C7 Z06 on YouTube with an Armytrix exhaust. These exhausts are just super high quality. You can kind of see through here how polished this is. This whole thing has got like a mirror finish to it. So this is gonna be so awesome. I can't wait to get it on the car, hear what it sounds like, because I know it's going to be so awesome and so loud. I wanted louder, and this is definitely going to deliver that. Exhaust is installed. This is going to be a little teaser video for you guys to what it sounds like. And this thing is so loud. I have never had a catback exhaust make this much of a difference. Basically, it's like straight out of just straight unfiltered. So that is what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to take you guys out. We're going to do a little drive-bys, just a little bit of teaser until I get the valves up and running with Armytrix. I've been working with them. Awesome people. So let's get started. Guys, I think I found a spot that we can shoot some video without disturbing too many people. It is Colorado, so it's really hard to find a place where there's no people anymore, but I think this will do it. It seems pretty flat and straight if you look that way. Yeah, I don't think this camera will ever pick up how loud this car is. This car is insane on how loud it is. Just from the inside here, I mean, listen to So It's just insane on how loud this car is. So I'm gonna get you set up on the tripod, and then we'll shoot some video here.